Y'all, how about today, me and my friend, my grandson Abraham, make
peanut butter chocolate bites.
We kind of made it up. So, they're yummy, they're delicious, they're easy, right? Abraham pretty much does this video by himself. Anything you want to say about it, Abe?
They are great and they're really easy to make.
Yes.
So I would recommend you to try it.
Definitely. So let's begin, y'all. How about today? Plant-based foodies on. How to make them. Let's begin. Okay, first of all, I want to introduce you to Abraham.
Hi.
He's my little assistant. He's our oldest grandson. And we are going to be making Butterfinger bites. And I'm going to let him do most of it, but real fast, I wanted to show y'all the kind of cereal we use. You have to use corn flakes, and we buy the Nature's Path organic corn flakes because there's no oils in it or any preservatives, and it's not processed a whole bunch, and it's sweetened with pear juice, so there's not even added sugar, so it's great. So Abraham, open that bag. And then this is 1.5 cups of corn flakes. Dump them in there, sir. There you go. Can you zip that bag shut? Good job. Now, smash it. Smash them. Smash them all the way. Keep going. Get them all crunched up. Go, Abraham, go. Go, Abraham, go. Okay. That's pretty good, I think.
Yeah.
Little big pieces. Now, in a bowl, we are going to take, can you tell me what this is?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Can you read my recipe? How much is that?
It is 3/4 cups.
3/4 of a cup. We're gonna do that in there. I guess you could use another kind of nut butter or seed butter if you have a peanut allergy. And this is, you know what this one is?
Syrup.
Maple syrup, yeah.
And you're gonna use
1/3. Can you scrape it out of there? Peanut butter on our screen, don't we? And you know what this is?
This is...
My handwriting's pretty sloppy. No, it's molasses.
Oh, molasses?
Yeah, and look how thick it is.
Yeah.
It's gonna need some help scraping out.
Yeah. But the maple syrup didn't need that.
No, I didn't need that much. Now, can you mix all that up really good?
Yeah.
Pretty smooth. Now we're gonna dump our cornflakes in there. Can you dump them in? There we go. Now mix that up. And show them what it looks like. Looks pretty good. We're gonna take it. You want me to show you one real fast? This is the way I did. I take it and I scrape the side to make it flat. Get it full like that, and then you just squeeze it out.
Okay.
Okay? Here we go. Good job. Perfect. They don't have to be.
It's gonna be 2 hours.
2 hours. So we'll see you in 2 hours, y'all.
For how long?
Depends on how thick you made them. Like, you made it really thick, it'll take longer. But basically, it's just the chocolate will harden on its own outside of the freezer, but it'll take a really long time. And so if you stick them back in the freezer, you can eat them sooner.
And if they get soft, that's also.
Yeah, it's another way to like make them harden again. Because we made ours big, they actually probably could have stayed in the freezer a little longer.
Yeah. And if you do make them around our size, you want to use a lot of chocolate chips. Because we used a lot and it's
not quite enough.
Yeah.
We're getting there though. We might have to eat that little one that's left. Isn't that unlucky of us?
Yeah. But if you don't like chocolate, you can just eat those.
You could just leave them in your freezer and eat them.
Yeah.
Like that. Oop, here you. I don't know, we might be able to get a little bit of chocolate on this guy.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do.
It's small enough, it might have enough.
Maybe. Chocolate's getting hard too. This is quick work. So as you can see, mamas, daddies, grandmas, it's a great recipe, papas. It's a great recipe to do with kids, but maybe this part you need to be there and help with. Okay.
Yeah.
Stick them back in the freezer. Remember where we stuck them?
Yeah.
For another 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, depending on how long it takes, and we'll see y'all soon. So after how long did you think we had those in there, Egg?
Maybe 30, 25 minutes.
30, 25, a little bit of Cajun in them. The Cajuns say their numbers backwards like that. Anyways, they're kind of soft, but we were a little impatient. So you want to try one? Take a big bite out of one.
This one.
Okay.
Those are really good.
They're really good. So be sure to
like, subscribe, and share.
Yes. And try the recipes. We want them to try them. Be blessed, y'all. Bye.